From any page on the Trains by Dave site, click your name, Daniel Oxford, in the upper right corner to open the User menu. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile. Click Colleagues link. This takes you to the Colleagues tab of My Profile. Notice that the My Colleagues list already includes your manager, Bill French, and your coworker, Susan. As mentioned previously, this list was initially created using information from Active Directory, where the organization hierarchy is specified. Craig Woodsmith is also listed as a colleague because you added him in when he was working as the liaison from marketing. At the top of the My Colleagues list are icons to add colleagues, view suggestions, edit colleagues, and remove colleagues. For this demonstration, select the Add Colleagues link. The Add Colleagues window opens. In the Colleagues section of this window, you can type the name of the person you want to add. If you do not have all the information for the person, such as their last name, or if you're not sure about the spelling of their name, click the Browse icon on the right that looks like a directory. This opens a dialog box that can be used to search for the person you want to add. For this demonstration, when the Select People window opens, in the Find field type Karla, and then click the Search icon. Select Karla Casper, click Add, and then OK. You will return to the Add Colleagues form with Karla Casper in the Colleagues input box. The Add to Group section allows you to add the colleague to your team. Other options are also provided that let you add the person to an existing group or to a new group. In this demonstration, since Karla does not work for you directly or perform similar functions, keep No selected for the Add to My Team. You do want to add Karla to your peers group. Under Existing Group, click the drop-down menu and then select Peers from the menu. Make a note. The Peers group here is not a privacy group, and you cannot create a view for peers. This group and any new group you create in this section simply serves as a way to organize your colleagues' list. Using group names help when you have a large list of colleagues. The Show To section allows you to apply a privacy group to the colleague you added. Privacy groups are covered in UserVersity lesson Create a My Site and Personalize My Profile. The basic idea is that you can choose either to show everyone who visits your site that Karla is on your colleagues list, or you can restrict access to this information. For this demonstration, since you do not mind if others see Karla on your colleagues list, leave everyone selected in the Show To section. Select OK to return to the Add Colleagues window. This brings up the Suggested Colleagues options. Note the description provided. A list of suggested people is offered based on your email and IM communication patterns. To prevent a person from being suggested again, click the X next to the person. In this instance, click Skip at the bottom. Notice that Karla now appears on your My Colleagues list under the Peers group. While you are still in your My Colleagues list, you want to remove Craig Woodsmith since he is no longer serving as the marketing team liaison to IT support. Select the checkbox next to Craig Woodsmith, since this is the person you want to remove. At the top of your My Colleagues list, select Remove Colleagues. A dialog box is displayed that asks you to confirm that you want to delete this colleague. Select OK. Notice that Craig's name has been removed from your My Colleagues list. Although this list of colleagues is still very small, as you add more names to the list, you will likely want to organize them in some fashion. That's where the Edit Colleagues options come into play. You will see how this works in the next section.